Alright, y'all. So I have this little disposable. It's a flying monkey Girl Scout cookie. Um, they say this should last me a week, but like 3 or 4 days if you're a heavy smoker. So I'm a heavy smoker, but I'm gonna try to stretch it because I wanted to try this out. And then after this, oh yeah, I'm hungry. I'm going on a 2 week college break. Let's go. Oh, that's good. Let me see if I can hit a blinker. Let me see the light. Okay. I thought the flavor was gonna be nasty. Ooh, it's hot. But girl, right this pair. See, I did it a smart way. I had to play 5 so I could try it. This is a day. I mean, I don't know that short. I'm not gonna short it, but I'm honestly blinking. Yeah, I had to give me some water. I missed. And y'all, I didn't realize I had snot coming out my nose until after. So I'm sorry. Alright. It's not better than Space God. Like, I think Space God is top tier, but whew, got me about to shred. Hold on, y'all. Let me take off this hot ass shirt and put on something thinner. Yeah, I don't have the box I tried at the store. But let me see it with the bleeder. Wait. Ooh. For $10? This woman look due diligence. Yeah, I just found a random shirt and put it on. Alright. Yeah, I gotta get this. I gotta take this. Alright. But it got me together. I definitely buy a bigger one for $10 and a plate 5. doing his little thing. They ate their one little thing up. Alright. So, bye. I saw the video so short. But, bye.